Hey guys, Dan Meyer here. Have you ever wished you could make big profits on stock moves? I'm talking like $5, $10, $20,000 without having to invest all the money it takes to buy the stock? Think about it. Have you ever missed out on a stock move because you didn't buy because the stock was too expensive? Or you did buy, but you didn't make as big of a profit as you could have because you didn't have as many shares? In this video, we're going to talk about how to control stocks cheap and gain leverage to maximize profits using the long call strategy. And what I mean by gain leverage is get more shares for the same amount or less money. So, the long call strategy is simply buying a call option and holding it, hoping the premium rises enough to make a profit and then selling the option before expiration. Again, hopefully at a profit. You profit with the long call when the stock price rises above the strike price plus the time value of the premium paid. So, for example, if you paid $1 for a call with a strike of 10, you would break even when the stock price moved to 11, and then everything after 11 would be profit. So the strike price was 10 plus the dollar in time value makes the break even point. This is at expiration 11. So if the strike price was 10 but you paid $2 for the option, then the stock would have to move to 12 to break it even. Anything above 12 would be a profit. So you trade the long call in place of buying stock. You're bullish on XYZ stock. Instead of buying the shares of stock, you would buy a call option. There are a few things to keep in mind when trading the long call strategy. First, the option premium typically doesn't appreciate on a 1-to-1 ratio with the stock. Second, timing is important. Most people using the long call strategy are trying to catch an upswing in stock price. An upswing in stock price is useless to you if it happens after the option expires. So you have to make sure your timing is right and the move materializes during the life of the option. Realize that buying short-term out-of-the-money options is very risky because they have a high likelihood of expiring worthless. So picking the right option to buy is one of the most important factors in determining if you will make a profit or not. In fact, it's a close second behind being right on the direction of the market. Yet many people struggle with it. So for that reason, I put together a 6-point option buying checklist. All you have to do is follow the steps and it will show you what option to buy. So if you would like a free copy, just click on the link and enter your details and I will email you a free copy. So basically, a call option or the long call option strategy is a bullish strategy for someone looking to profit from a move in the stock price in the short to mid term. If you would like to learn more about making money with call options, click on the annotation on the bottom of this video to view my next video on call options. Also, if this video helped you, make sure you hit the like button so you can find it again quickly and easily. And if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do videos just like this to help you become a better and more profitable stock trader. So that's it for now. I'll see you next time.